guys, welcome back. It's your girl Dumebi. If you're just stumbling on my channel for the first time, you're at the right place, honey. Hit the subscribe button and join our big happy family. Okay, I do beauty videos and I'm sure you're going to love them. And if you're already a subscriber, you're my family, you're my G, you know how we do. So today I have this amazing tutorial for you guys. Keep watching. Oh, so fabulous. Hey guys, so I have to apologize first of all because I actually filmed this. It was supposed to be a talk through tutorial. I filmed with my microphone. I filmed 4 videos that day just for me to get to editing and realize that my microphone was messing up. Anyway, to the tutorials, I first of all used some setting powder on my brows to remove any shine and oily look on the brows and to make sure that my pencil glides on smoothly. So this is the brow that you are going to be using to do the thicker, fuller, more fleeky brows. I like to call these brows the 2018-2017 brows because they've been really trendy, but the 2019 people are going more natural on their brows. So we're going to call the second brow that I'm going to be doing after this one, we're going to call that the 2019 brows, shall we? Okay, so now I'm filling in. I drew my upper outline, lower outline, and then I filled in with really thick like a lot of product. I use a lot of product in this brows. Then I'm brushing it in to make sure everything blends with my natural hair. So now for my concealer, I'm going to be cleaning up with concealer. I'm using the Elegirl Pro in the shade Fawn, which is lighter than me. That's what I'm using right now. It's going to be for the bottom of the brows to clean it up. And then the shade Chestnut, which is closer to my skin tone, I'm going to be using that to clean the top of the brows. If you don't use the concealer of your skin tone, use your foundation for this process so that everything blends right in when you apply foundation to the rest of your face, so that you don't have halo brows. Halo brows are those brows that you have concealer, light concealer on top and under, and then they're just sticking out and making you look weird, like, is she on something? Is she okay? So now I'm just blending in because the brows are done. So you can see that we have that faded look in the beginning of the brows, and then the rest of it just progresses inwards and the brows look really thicker and fuller. So this is the brow, and right now I'm like, oh my god, check out my brows. So now for the second brow, which is a more natural looking brow, I'm showing you guys this pencil which seems to be trending right now. They're like reclinable pencils and they're very thin. This one is from Glitz and Glam. I featured it on one of my videos before. While the other pencil I showed you guys is a regular Davis that goes for $100 in Nigeria, that everybody knows, like the most affordable pencil. So at first I used to think I could only use the reclinable pencil for this natural look, but no, you can do this same natural hair stroke brows using your Davis pencil, which is what I'm showing you guys right now. So I'm drawing the outline, but I'm very light-handed. Do not use pressure. Make sure your strokes are very light and you're not pressing it into the skin. So after I drew the outline, I'm filling in with hair-like strokes, unlike the other brow where I was just shading. So I've gone to the front of the brow and I'm now I'm like drawing hair-like stroke upwards, and then when I move in a bit, I'm still doing hair-like strokes, but I'm bending it in the direction in which my hair on this eyebrow will naturally grow. So I'm taking the brow set. This one is from Ferrarucci. This actually helps you. It's a brow mascara. It helps you to make your hair stay in place. Like when you brush it up, the hair stay like that all day. And then I'm actually using it to kind of tint the brows by taking some of my concealer, the lighter shade of concealer, which is Fawn, and then I'm using it and brushing up the brows to give my brow that kind of a lighter look, which makes it look more natural. Now, it's not necessary that you have to mix your brow set with concealer. I just did that because I wanted my brow set to have a lighter look. If you want your brows to be lighter, you could just easily get a lighter shade of brow sets. So for this natural feather-like brows, a brow set is very important. Then now for the main thing that really gives off that hair-like strokes, I'm going to be taking this concealer in my shade. You can see that it's like the shade of my foundation. So I'll be using it with that my angled brush there to just draw straight lines, like very thin strokes. You do not need a lot of concealer, so always tap off excess when you do this. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going in and then making some strokes, so by brushing this with my spoolie, it makes it look more natural. So I'm just still going to be making some strokes with my concealer in the middle of the brows, heading towards the tail end of the brows, and then brushing it in to make it look more natural. So at the end of the day, when you look at these brows, it actually looks like those are my hairs, unlike the other brow on my on the left hand side of my face, where you can see that it is not all my hair, but this other brow, you can see that it looks like it's all my hair. So we want to let people believe that, you know, we woke up like this, we were born this way. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know which of the brows you prefer, the thick fleeky ones or the hair-like strokes, which looks more natural. So do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.